Hello and thank you for registering with Arc. In this video I will show you how to download, install and activate the Audient Cab bundle for the 2 Notes Wall of Sound plugin. Firstly, you need to download the Wall of Sound plugin itself. So navigate to this website, the link can be found underneath this video. Then select the correct download link for your system at the bottom of the page. You will need to download the plugin type that you require based on the DAW you're using. As a rough rule, Logic Pro X uses the AU type plugins, Pro Tools will use the AAX, and Cubase and other DAWs will use VST plugins. If you're unsure of what plugins to install, please check with your DAW's manual or documentation for further details. For both Mac and Windows, open the downloaded file and follow the instructions through the installation process. Once installed, open your digital audio workstation of choice and add Torpedo Wall of Sound to a channel strip from the list of effects. Open the plugin and follow the instructions through. If you don't have a 2 Notes account, enter an email address and press sign up. Here you will need to enter some personal details to create an account. Once completed, you will need to verify your account by clicking on the link in an email that will have been sent to you. Once you've clicked the link in the email, you can go back to the plugin window and press next. If you already have a 2 Notes account, simply sign in with your email address and password. On the next page, it will ask you if you have an activation code. Select yes and enter the code that was sent to you when you signed up to Arc or that was shown on the screen of the Arc webpage. Now the latest license file and 2 Notes Audient bundle cabinets will be downloaded ready for you to use. For more information about using the Wall of Sound plugin and cabinets, please have a look at the user manual. We hope you enjoy it.